Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to create this look. This is my Smokey I go to party look. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Without wasting any time, let's get into creating this absolutely amazing makeup look. Okay, so to begin with, हम सबसे पहले अपनी आईज के ऊपर कंसीलर लगाएंगे ताकि जब हम अपना आई शैडो लगा रहे हों तो हमारा एप्लीकेशन बहुत अच्छे से हो. Now we'll just take any powder and so after I've done this, my eyes are ready. What I like to do when I'm doing a smoky eye is that I take a kajal, any kajal that you guys use, and I'm going to make a line like this. It's okay if it's messy. It can be messy because in the end we have to just smudge it all. So yeah, I'm just going to fill this up. I know it looks a bit scary, but trust me, the end result is going to be amazing. I'm just going to take a round tip brush and I'm going to smudge it all, and so that it looks even and it does not look जो ये इतना ज़्यादा unequal लग रहा है and weird लग रहा है. Guys, this might take some time, so be patient and just remember जो end result है वो बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. See my crease where it's ending. I'm doing it till there. This is done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm using Makeup Revolution, the Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. In this, I'm using this shade. It's a bit shimmery shade, but it will make the look really nice. So, I'm again going to take a round brush. Just take very little dust. I'm ऐसे बस ऊपर and sides में लगा लूँगी. Next thing I'm going to do is हमें एक transition shade चाहिए so that ये look जो है वो थोड़ी neat लगे. I'm going to take a brown shade. You guys can use any shade that you want. I'm using this palette, Sugar Rush Flower Palette, and I'm going to use this brown shade. So just take a bit of it, dust it off, guys, and on top of where this color is ending, I'm going to use it there. Blending it in circular motions, and you have to go, you know, like again back and forth to the black eyeshadow. After I've done this, I am just going to take one more shade, and I promise this is the last shade. So it's going to be a bit of a lighter brown. Just take a bit of it, brush the excess off, and just use it over here. Just remember guys, अगर आपको कभी भी ऐसा लगता है that कोई एरिया ऐसा है जो unequal है, so it's very important कि you go back and उसको अगेन आप अच्छे से ब्लेंड करें. जैसे अभी मेरे को फील हो रहा है कि जो ये वाला एरिया है ये अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ब्लेंड इट अगेन. स्मोकी आईज करते हुए एक चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखना, पेशेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पेशेंस इज़ द की. इफ यू गाइज डोंट हैव अ ब्लैक आई शैडो, देन just simply take the kajal and create a smoky eye with that, and that will look equally good. So you don't have to have a black eyeshadow. आपके पास नहीं भी है तो भी चल जाएगा. I've completed the upper eye. Now you can have a look. सो मैंने एक और चीज़ की थी, मैंने मेकअप रिमूवर लेके यहाँ पे क्लीन कर दिया था जो भी अनइवन हो रहा था. नाउ हम अपनी लोअर लैश पे जाते हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट सिंपली गोइंग टू टेक अ काजल. I'll take some of that black eyeshadow and just use it below. So we've completed this. Now I'll again take a brush like this and I'm just going to use the brown shade that we used on the upper eye. I'll use it on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to take my kajal. I'm not going to create a wing. I'm just simply going to outline it. Once we've put the eyeliner as well, we are just going to take our mascara. You guys also have an option of putting false lashes, but I don't like putting false lashes, so I'm not going to do that. An option of applying lashes, you can do that. Just apply a bit on the corners of my lower lash. What you guys need to do in the end is just quickly rub off any excess eyeshadow that might have spilled over on your face. And now let's do the rest of the makeup. So I'll just be back after applying all my makeup and show you the final look. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. As you can see, I've just added a bit of blush and lip shade and highlighter, and just have a look at the eyes. So if you guys like the video and this look, give this video a big thumbs up like always, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Have a great day. Until next time, bye.